So today let's make something slower, like progressive. I've made videos on dark side, forest, but now I want to make something like progressive because I'm making progressive for a while. So let's see where we can go. I think today I want to make some good chords, some melodies. I will take a vocal. I would make something vocal based, something good. Let's see how it goes, bro. Let's see. So yeah. So now we have, yes, we have vocals. So I would write main vocal here, main vocals. Then these are supporting vocals. So also supporting vocal. And yeah, let's find some sounds, good melodies, something. So let's find some uh, chord, chord, yeah. And key should be D minor, and our BPM, let's keep BPM 142. Yeah, I think it's good if we keep like here. Yeah, now let's make an intro. But yeah, we need to make a bass line, so why not?